What's up, you all? Welcome back to our channel. Today we're reviewing the Nubwo G07 wireless gaming headset, and I'm excited today to review this. So I barely got it in recent times, so I definitely wanted to check it out. If y'all saw my YouTube short, you saw the mini review on it, and therefore this is just a little bit more of a cohesive and a longer version of the review. We're just gonna go over compatibility, how it feels on my head, and just how it sounds, a live sound test. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. But before we start, I just wanted to thank you all so much. Thank you for over 135,000 followers on TikTok. Thank you for our growing community right here on YouTube. And also thank you so much for helping us out on Twitch. As on YouTube, it does help us out. You give us a thumbs up and subscribe, as we're trying to grow our community even further and help people out with much more in terms of just collaborations and being able to do things and being able to provide y'all with the most value, entertainment, and education, man. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So this is the Nubwo G07. This is how the box looks, and therefore there you go. Is it cleared in? And so I'm gonna read over some things on the box. There's a black version and there's a black and red version. We have the black and red version today. So it does have it says 50 mm driver. The soft ear pads. It says music. You're able to use it for PC gaming. It has deep bass on their sound, and then you can also use it for movies. So I'm assuming you can just connect wirelessly to a laptop or anything if you want to do Netflix. 3.5 millimeter lining. And then it also says it can last up to 17 hours, and it has a clear mic. So we're going to see how all that sounds right now. It is, once again, a wireless headset. And so physical items, you do see the Bluetooth essence right here. It's just like a USB aspect. And then you see a wire here, and we're going to talk why the wire is needed essentially for this. There's two options as to why, and we'll definitely go over that. So that is all how the box goes, and then after that is just kind of everything else in. So and get further into it, we're going to switch out into the actual live sound, and then so y'all can listen to it. So now I got on the Nubwo G07 wireless headset. This is how it sounds live to you all. No raw, no edits or anything. This is just completely raw. And it's right now the comfort is very good. It sounds like it tries to get a noise cancellation anticipation in terms of my head and just how it feels. It has some adjustability right over here on the side. It also offers a kind of a cool speaker format on the outside. Right here you could definitely see that it'll have like a wide format speaker. It has a cool logo on it. What I love about this right now is that it does have much more comfort than your other typical cheaper headsets. This microphone can tend to sound a bit flat, and I'm just not a huge fan of that flat sounding where it almost sounds like I'm on a phone. But once again, guys, this microphone, this headset, the wireless headset, is $50 on Amazon, which made it one of the cheapest wireless headsets on the market. Also, this is their latest series of the Nubwo series. I know they do have another version, which hopefully we can get to also in terms of reviewing the N7 and more, but this is the latest version of the Nubwo series, and I do like the comfort of it. I just dislike the way the microphone does sound. Right here, so let's talk about, I have the Bluetooth already plugged in, the USB portion. So let's talk about why there's a wire. The reason why is because this headset is not compatible with Xbox, therefore you must use this wire for that. That's one reason why you get the wire. It's compatible with everything else except Xbox or PC, PlayStation, Switch, and as far as anything else, a laptop or anything that can possibly get. And I'm using it also on a phone too, so you can use it also on your phone. Therefore, this wire is also, so in case maybe the battery dies, you can also just manually do it. But for Xbox users, yes, you would have to basically essentially buy it, maybe just use it for something else and then connect it manually to your Xbox, or just don't even look towards this way if you're just not wanting any form of a headset that costs $50. So basically it becomes a regular headset on Xbox only. Everything else, it is a wireless format, so if you own both the PlayStation and Xbox, you'll just be able to do wireless on PlayStation. Now, is this a steal for $50? I would assume sort of. So it just depends. If you're very picky with your microphone output, then this is probably not going to be the best option for you for $50. But if you're thinking of a wireless essential, you're just tired of wires, you don't want it all around you, we can just kind of move around and walk around a bit, this might be able to be a major steal for you because it is $50. It just depends on what you're saying. So I understand the essence of it and just what people are going to have different flavors. So people, for me, would be possibly a no. But again, it's only $49, almost 50, and does give you a wireless feel. But like what I said, the output on the microphones is not great. But everything else goes for more of a professional outing, like the sleek appeal. There's no LEDs or anything on it, so they're trying to keep it real. Like if you're really jumping into the aesthetics of a pro gameplay type of a headset, and so the no portion would definitely be because of the way the microphone sounds, and the yes portion would be more because it's kind of a steal overall, especially if you're on PC or PlayStation, because when you look into the more prestige wireless headsets, it goes from $75 and definitely hits the $99 mark and onward. So it just depends if you think you're willing to take a risk and they step forward on a budget for a wireless headset. Now, in my opinion, if you're going wireless, I'll definitely save and just go for more of an anticipated wireless headset. But if you like the way this sounds right now, then you can definitely get it for $50 on that component. So yeah, this is the Nubwo wireless headset. And so I just wanted to do a quick overall review and just a sound test with you all. And so if y'all appreciate content like this, please give us a thumbs up as it helps us out. Be sure to subscribe so we can get more reviews and more education, more entertainment going on. I appreciate you all so much and have a good one. Peace.